Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create custom combination chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to create custom combination chart in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Now we can see here many charts. We select the combo chart, then select custom combination, then customize the chart. Now click OK. Now we can see here we create a custom combination chart very easily. You can change the chart style, color or layout. Click the chart, then go to the design menu. Then apply another color or style. Click the color drop down menu, then choose another color. Otherwise you can apply another layout. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.